All right, so this house, we tore down some walls, we left some walls. Some of the walls we had to fish wire through. Some of them were brand new walls, and we were able to bring wire up. So the brand new walls, you're able to put new work boxes where you nail them in to the stud. You have a 1/2 inch reveal where this little tab is here. It's about 1/2 inch to 3/8 or whatever. It's better to be in the wall a little bit than out of the wall a little bit. That's a new work box. For these other outlets over here, this is what you call an old work box. So this wall stayed, we're gonna skim coat it. We didn't wanna go cutting, nailing a box in. So we put an old work box in. So this is an old work box. It has these 2 tabs on the top and the bottom. You cut your opening in, and then you run your wire through. You pop your hole through there, put the wire in, then you put the box in, and you screw these 2 tabs, and it sucks it tight to the sheetrock.
Right.
That's called an old work box. So this old work box, this new work box.